Hello, online entrepreneurs. Managing multiple online accounts, whether for social media, affiliate marketing, or running multiple e-commerce sites, can feel like juggling. Constantly logging in and out, worrying about data security, and trying not to mix up accounts can drain your productivity. But what if you had a browser that could handle this for you? One that lets you switch between accounts with ease while keeping each profile secure and separate. You'd spend less time worrying about the technicalities and more time focusing on growing your business. Managing multiple accounts efficiently is all about having the right tool for the job. A browser tailored to your needs can make a world of difference, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. It's designed for people like you who need a secure, reliable solution for managing multiple online profiles. With GoLogin, managing multiple accounts becomes a breeze. Try it out today and take control of your online workflow like never before.